So, a lot of the confusion in chemistry is just about unfamiliar units, and that goes for pH as well, which is very similar in that these numbers are just so astronomical. So, if we're going to actually practically use chemistry, we need something that we can use, and that number there is just way, way too big. So, we call that a mole. And so you need to be familiar with that term that a mole is just a very large number. We use the letter N to represent that. So the mole is represented by little n, and the units here are moles, M-O-L. So that's written down there. So just to give you an example, you'll see in the next video, so the periodic table tells us what these numbers are. So if you want 1 mole of carbon, 12 grams of carbon will give you this many particles of carbon. If you want, for instance, let's say like silicon, 28.1 grams of silicon will give you this many particles of silicon. So we don't say 6.02 by 10 to the 23 particles. We'll just say it's 1 mole. And we'll know that 1 mole is, to get 1 mole, we'll just grab 28.1 grams. And for gases, we'll cover that a little bit later. As long as you've got 22.7 litres, you've got 1 mole of the gas, no matter how heavy or light that particular gas is.